The 2027 Chevy Silverado 1500 just did what every other truck maker was too scared to try. It went bigger. Two new V8 engines that Chevrolet says deliver the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 in the half-ton class, better efficiency than the old engines, and a fifth-generation redesign that touches every panel and every system from scratch. A complete ground-up redesign. Let's be straight about what this is. The 2027 Chevy Silverado 1500 is not a refresh. Not a mid-cycle update with a bold new grille slapped on an old body. This is the most comprehensive Silverado overhaul in recent memory. New powertrains, a bolder exterior, a fully digital interior, and an expanded 7-trim lineup. That distinction matters more than most people realize. Automakers routinely call new headlights and a restyled dash a redesign. Chevrolet is actually tearing out the walls this time. The 2027 Silverado has a new yet familiar exterior, with new LED headlights and taillights, a new front fascia, and more pronounced wheel openings and rocker treatments. The kind of presence that makes you stop and look twice in a parking lot. Here's what sets it apart. Chevy is not trading the Silverado's working truck character for flash. You're getting both, but honestly, the exterior is the least exciting part of this story. What Chevrolet is doing under the hood is where things get genuinely surprising and slightly radical. GM bets $579 million on a larger V8. While Ford has quietly leaned toward turbocharged V6s and Ram has moved into Hurricane Inline 6 territory, General Motors just spent close to $579 million going in the exact opposite direction, investing in its Flint engine plant to build the new powertrains. The new 6th-generation small-block V8 family arrives in two displacements, a 5.7-liter replacing the outgoing 5.3, and a 6.6-liter stepping in, where the 6.2 left off. Both are based on the same Generation 6 small block architecture as the Corvette's new 6.7-liter V8. New combustion geometry, improved thermal management, completely reworked internals, not revised, built from scratch. The 6.6-liter is expected to push toward 475 to 500 horsepower, with Chevrolet outright claiming it as the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 in the half-ton segment. And those torque numbers eliminate the half-second of uncertainty you feel merging onto a highway at 65 miles per hour with a loaded trailer behind you. If you've towed anything significant, you know exactly which moment I'm talking about, and you know why it matters beyond the spec sheet. Now, most people hear larger displacement and immediately assume one thing. GM is about to prove that assumption completely wrong. Bigger engine, better MPG. Wait, what? More displacement has historically meant worse fuel economy. That's been the rule for decades. The 6th-generation small block is rewriting it. GM confirmed the new 6th-generation small block V8 engines come with improved performance and roughly a 10% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions versus today's engines. The current 5.3-liter averages around 17 miles per gallon combined in real-world driving. A 10% efficiency improvement adds up to real money, not "you might notice it after 10 years" money. Actual dollars, every fill-up, every single week. The gains are coming from new combustion chamber geometry, advanced thermal management, and completely reworked internals. GM isn't dialing anything back to hit those numbers. The displacement goes up, the power goes up, the emissions come down alongside both. That's the kind of engineering result that doesn't fit the standard narrative, which is exactly why it's worth paying attention to. The interior gets a full reset. This is the area Silverado buyers have been waiting the longest to hear about: the cabin. The 2027 Chevy Silverado 1500 isn't patching the old interior, it's starting completely over. Even the entry-level 2027 Silverado comes standard with a 12.2-inch digital instrument cluster connected to a 16.3-inch touchscreen for the infotainment system. A column-mounted shifter frees up console real estate. Chevrolet also made a point of keeping physical switches for the most used controls rather than burying everything in menus. Someone at Chevy apparently remembered that navigating a touchscreen menu with winter work gloves on while bouncing down a rutted dirt road is not a solution anyone asked for. Here's something the spec sheets never tell you. You spend more cumulative time inside this cab than you ever spend attaching trailers. If the seat makes your back hurt by hour 5, none of the towing numbers on the window sticker actually matter. 13,300 pounds from a half ton. The 2027 Chevy Silverado 1500 is targeting a maximum towing rating of 13,300 pounds from a half-ton pickup. Getting there required real structural work. The executive chief engineer confirmed the engines were put through extensive testing and validation, specifically to make sure they deliver the durability, capability, and dependability Silverado customers expect. The platform was updated with improved driving feel, towing, and hauling in mind. Payload ratings are rising alongside towing capacity. Whether you're pulling behind you or loading the bed, the ceiling is moving in the right direction. But if you never plan to hook a trailer to anything, wait until you hear what the ZR2 is bringing to 2027. ZR2 gets factory 35-inch tires. The current ZR2 has always been a capable platform. Multimatic DSSV dampers, electronic locking differentials front and rear, solid skid plate coverage. But one consistent observation has followed it since launch. The 33-inch tires underneath never fully match the serious hardware built around them. The 2027 ZR2 is fixing that directly. Chevrolet fitted the ZR2 with 35-inch mud-terrain tires, a 2-inch factory lift, and Multimatic DSSV dampers with electronic locking differentials front and back, set up for anything from technical rock crawling to high desert runs. No aftermarket kit, no modification, no warranty conversation you'd rather not have. You drive off the lot and it's already configured for serious terrain. That size difference, 33 to 35 inches, sounds minor on paper. On an actual trail, it shows up in approach angles, obstacle clearance, and the kind of confidence that fundamentally changes how you read what's ahead of you. And if the ZR2 alone isn't enough, the ZR2 Bison is back, made in collaboration with American Expedition Vehicles, coming with beadlock ready wheels, skid plates, and heavy-duty steel bumpers. That comparison with the Ford Raptor R just became a very interesting conversation. The 2027 Chevy Silverado 1500 is showing up as a genuinely different truck. Larger V8s claimed as the most powerful, naturally aspirated engines in the class. A cabin that finally matches the premium price tag. 13,300 pounds of towing capacity, factory 35-inch tires on the ZR2, and a design team that remembered truck buyers wear work gloves. The question isn't whether this truck has the specs to compete. It clearly does. The question is whether GM can execute, because a list of engineering targets and a finished truck sitting in a dealership lot are two very different things.